Let's be brutally honest. No one cares about you. No one cares about your struggles. No one cares about your dreams. No one cares about your potential. You think you deserve success because you work hard. You think you should be rich because you try your best. You think you should be respected because you have talent? Wrong. The world doesn't reward effort. The world doesn't reward dreams. The world rewards results. If you're broke, no one takes you seriously. If you're out of shape, no one respects your opinions. If you're average, the world ignores you. Success isn't about being good. It's about being so great that no one can deny you. What does become undeniable mean? Most people beg for recognition. They want to be noticed. They want to be appreciated. They want people to see their effort. But the truth, see their effort. But the truth, winners don't ask for recognition. They force the world to acknowledge them. When you're undeniable, you don't ask for respect. People give it to you automatically. You don't beg for opportunities. They chase you. You don't hope for success. You command it. You command. The world respects power, mastery, and dominance. If you're not at the top, you don't matter. Why most people remain average forever? The reason most people never make it is because they operate at a level that is replaceable. If you're a mediocre worker, your boss won't care if you leave. If you're an average entrepreneur, no one will buy from you. If you're an ordinary man, women will never choose you. You are one of many, and that makes you forgettable. The key to escaping this trap: become so good they can't ignore you. If you want to be the best, you must operate on a different level than everyone else. Here's the step-by-step formula to becoming undeniable. Develop a world-class skill set. The most successful, respected, and powerful people in the world all have one thing in common. They master a high-value skill to a level that no one else can match. Think about it. Michael Jordan in basketball, Elon Musk in entrepreneurship, Cristiano Ronaldo in football. They don't beg for attention. Their skill forces people to notice them. Your job. Find a skill that is white heavy checkmark rare. Not everyone can do it. White heavy checkmark valuable. It makes money, builds influence, or creates impact. White heavy checkmark scalable. You can keep improving it forever and then master it until you are world class. If you're an entrepreneur, become so good that no one can compete with you. If you're in fitness, build a physique that commands attention. If you're in sales, close deals so effortlessly that people need to hire you. Outwork everyone. No days off mentality. Here's another brutal truth. You're not working hard enough. Most people think they're a grinding when they work 40 hours a week. Most people think they're a dedicated when they put in a little extra effort. The elite, they operate on a level that is terrifying to the average person. Kobe Bryant would practice at 4 a.m. before his team even woke up. Fire. Elon Musk would work 100-hour weeks to build Tesla and SpaceX. Michael Phelps trained every single day for 5 years without missing one session. Success is not for the lazy. If you want to be undeniable, you must work when others are sleeping, when others are relaxing, when others are making excuses. While your competition is watching Netflix, you should be building your empire. Master relentless execution, the difference between talkers and winners. Winners execute. Most people love to plan, dream, and strategize. They talk about their goals. They get excited about their ideas, but they never take action. You don't get results from thinking. You get results from doing. Set a goal, execute. Have a plan, execute. Face an obstacle, execute anyway. Success doesn't come from waiting for the perfect moment. It comes from relentless execution every single day. Dominate with an unbreakable mindset to become undeniable. You must think and act differently from 99% of people. Failure doesn't discourage you. It fuels you. Doubt doesn't slow you down. It makes you push harder. Obstacles don't stop you. Obstacles don't stop you. They challenge you to rise. The weak quit when things get tough. The undeniable push forward no matter what. Train your mind to be relentless. Eliminate all weak thoughts. Operate with pure aggression and dominance. You are either a predator or prey. The choice is yours. The final warning. Be undeniable or be forgotten right now. You have two choices. 1. Stay average, replaceable, and ignored. Keep making excuses. Stay in the shadows and watch others win. 2. Become undeniable. Master your craft. Outwork everyone. Dominate in your field and force the world to respect you. There is no in between. The world doesn't reward effort. The world doesn't reward dreams. The world rewards results. Stop waiting for permission. Become so good that no one can ignore you.